Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle a question that's been burning in my mind, and I'm sure it's a question that many of you have wondered about as well. How big is the Poppy Bank? Now, I know what you're thinking. Poppy Bank? What's that? Well, let me explain. The Poppy Bank is a fictional bank that appears in the popular children's television show, Peppa Pig. It's the bank where Peppa and her family do all their banking, and it's always been a source of curiosity for me. So, how big is it? Well, I've done some research, and I'm here to share my findings with you. But before we get into the details, let's take a look at some of the other things we know about the Poppy Bank. Poppy Bank facts. The Poppy Bank is located in Peppa Pig's village. It's a small, red brick building with a big sign that says Poppy Bank on it. It has a big, round door that leads to the bank's interior. Inside the bank, there are 2 tellers, a manager, and a safe. The bank is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. It offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. So, how big is the Poppy Bank? Well, based on the information we have, it's safe to say that the Poppy Bank is a small bank. It's probably not much bigger than a typical bank branch in real life. But what about the inside? How big is the bank's interior? Well, we don't have a lot of information about that, but we can make some educated guesses. Based on the fact that there are only 2 tellers in the bank, we can assume that the bank is not very busy. This would suggest that the bank is not very large. Additionally, we know that the bank has a safe. This suggests that the bank keeps a lot of money on hand. However, we don't know how much money the bank keeps, so we can't say for sure how big the safe is. Overall, we don't have enough information to give a definitive answer to the question of how big the Poppy Bank is. However, we can make some educated guesses based on the information we do have. So, there you have it. The Poppy Bank is a small, red brick building located in Peppa Pig's village. It's open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and it offers a variety of banking services. While we don't know the exact size of the bank, we can make some educated guesses based on the information we have. I hope this answer was helpful. If you have any other questions about the Poppy Bank, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.